Hello engineers! Let's solve another real FE exam problem from fluid mechanics. Today we are going to crack the mysteries of Archimedes Principle as denoted in FE reference manual. So with no further ado, let's jump into it. The question says Archimedes Principle best describes. Okay, there is four different options. Option A, a floating body displaces a weight of fluid equal to its own weight. Option B, the buoyant force on a body is equal to volume of its fluid that is displaced. Option C, sum of pressure, velocity and elevation heads is constant. Option D, the flow at 2 points in a stream remains constant. Some of these options are super funny. They make me smile. So anytime you get any question in your FE exam, the first and best thing to do is search your FE reference manual. Okay, so come to your FE reference manual, go to fluids mechanics section and just Control F, search for our Archimedes principle. Okay, here is Archimedes. Let's go to his principle, and there you go. The buoyant force exerted on a submerged floating body is equal to weight of fluid displaced by the body. That's the first point. So submerged body, the buoyant force exerted on a submerged body is equal to weight of fluid. So option A, let's look at it. The buoyant force is equal to weight. The buoyant force is equal to volume is what they wrote in option B. That's not the correct answer. So we definitely know B is not correct. Okay. Now let's look at the second point that is mentioned in our reference manual. A floating body displaces a weight of fluid equal to its own weight. A floating body displaces a weight of fluid equal to option A is the correct option, guys. In both the points of Archimedes, nothing about pressure, velocity and elevation heads is mentioned. So option C is not correct. Option D, in fact, option C is like Bernoulli's equation. So that's not Archimedes principle. Option D, the flow at 2 points in a stream remains constant. Nope, this principle has nothing to do with flow at 2 points of stream. So after cancelling B, C, D, option A is the correct answer. There you go. So here is a fun diagram I drew for you guys. But anyway, I hope you already understood what we're trying to do here. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, do so, because every week on Tuesday I'm going to be releasing a new FE exam breakdown or tips that will help you to crack FE exam, and these tips will be the latest updates coming from NCEES straight to you guys. Okay, ciao.